All right, let's bring back in Josh for another look at your forecast after what was, I think, a really nice weekend. Kind of a little taste of fall in a way on Saturday with the clouds. I liked it.
Definitely started off cloudier, cooler, and then we gradually warmed things back up again. But, for the most part, we were seeing those clear skies, which makes for some great stargazing views. These are just a few of the shots through the central Willamette Valley from over the weekend. And if you look close enough, you might be able to see the Perseid meteor shower that is now underway, expected to peak as we work our way into the second week of August or so, where it's a potential to see about 90 meteors per hour. So keep a close eye to the night sky as clear conditions still remain. Beautiful live look out over Mount Hood on this Monday evening. Temperatures hovering in towards the mid-80s for us. And we are going to continue to keep that warmer, drier, and sunnier weather trend taking us well into the end of the month of July. As our temperatures up and down the I-5 corridor settling their way into the mid-80s this evening, 70s along the shoreline, and still feeling the summer-like heat east of the Cascades. All as we continue to pay close attention to the Burdoin mountain fire that is burning along the Columbia River Gorge. Again, this is out towards southwest Washington. So on the Washington side of the river, as those gusty gorge winds still remain anywhere from about 20 to 25 miles per hour as bone dry conditions remain persistent. Good news is, as we work our way through the early morning hours, falling back with those wind speeds into the teen territory as wildfire alerts still remain expansive, especially for the central southeastern sections of the Beaver State. We have fire weather watches, red flag warnings, all because of the abundant lightning that we are picking up on this afternoon and through the rest of the evening hours. Expected to see very little moisture with these thunderstorms, but frequent lightning. And as these thunderstorms die out, so they become quite gusty as far as the winds go, maybe pushing some of those flames in unpredictable locations. So we want to keep our fingers crossed that for the rest of this evening, that fire potential along with those thunderstorms remains relatively low. Now, if you are planning on heading out to the high terrain, remember the gorge, it's going to be hot over the next several days. The Cascades slightly cooler into the 70s, but it's the frequent lightning, especially in the afternoon and evening hours, that could pose a bit of a threat. Seek shelter indoors if you do hear a rumble or see a bolt of lightning, as that potential still remains tomorrow afternoon. For the rest of this evening across much of the I-5 corridor, holding on to those clear skies, temperatures eventually falling back into the 60s for us as the month of July, typically our driest of the year, is still sitting with just over 3/10 of an inch, but that rain deficit growing to more than 1/10 of an inch. But as we work our way into August, that's when we start to increase that rain potential ever so slightly as we stay dry and cloud free all the way into the start of the day tomorrow. Again, a bubble up thunderstorm or two, a possibility out towards the east as we are thrown just a few more additional clouds come Wednesday. Tonight here in the city, falling back to about 59, calm, quiet, and clear. Tomorrow, more sunshine. Summer heat ramps back up again, low 90s once again returning as our 7-day forecast does paint a bit of a dry picture for us over the next 7 days. Low 90s Tuesday, Wednesday, but the clouds on Thursday dropping us back into the low 80s as we round out the month of July, entering August with a bit of a cooling trend. More clouds Sunday and Monday. Upper 70s. Yeah, that will be a welcome sight for many of us.
For sure, especially after 2 90-degree days earlier in the week.
Yes, we just got to get through the next 2 days and then smooth sailing.
Thanks, Josh.
Thanks, Josh.